Hey everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with AmysCreateAcrylics. I'm Amy. Hello. And today I'm doing a pour with my sister, Tina.
Hello.
And we're doing a collaboration with a bunch of fun ladies and their husbands, boyfriends, girlfriends, I'm not sure, whatever. With partners, and I don't have a partner, so I have my sister. And it's across the globe. We've lost our marbles. So what we have to do is draw cards 1 through 7, and I draw a card for Tina, she'll draw a card for me. And whatever number that is how many marbles we have to use in our pour. The first person that's going today is Kelly Marshall Art. After her is Art Flo By Mo. And then me, AmysCreativAcrylics. And then Sandras Sensations. Then Dannas Art-N-Motion. Amy's Acrylic Artistry. And then RoseM Creations. I'll have a link in the description for everybody's channel. So please go and check them out. It's going to be kind of fun. There's a fun bunch of girls. And so let's get started. So we just have to draw cards, and for her, I draw for her, she draws for me. We can use any colors we want, however many colors we want. And yeah, so we got them all mixed up. So I'm gonna draw a card for Tina, and then she has to use 6 marbles. So now you do for me. Don't get me 7. 5. So I got to use 5 marbles, and she's gonna use 6. So let's put this way out of the way. That way we don't get paint on them. 1, 2, 1 more. 6.
Put these at the same time.
Yep. I'm gonna use 5, but I'm gonna use this one big one. There's only one big one in the bunch. So I have 5, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. Put down our base colors. I hope everybody enjoys this fun collab. Like I said, it's a fun group of people. Super nice ladies, and they all do amazing art. So please go and check them out if you haven't yet. And like I said, I'll have a link in the description for everybody's channel. So it'll take you right to their video, which is kind of nice. I do want to thank the ladies for including me into the collaboration, even though I don't have a significant other. But I'm excited to do this collaboration. It's been a while since I've done a collaboration, so don't get black on mine.
And I'm trying not to.
I do thank everybody for joining us today. I hope you guys will enjoy this video and do all that fun jazz of liking, subscribing, sharing, commenting. That helps my channel out tremendously, and all the other ladies. That will help their channel out as well, and it's free to you, but it helps us out a lot for our channels. Alright, so I think, I don't know, everybody normally does like puddles, but I think I want to do something a little different. And like I said, you can do whatever. I don't know. I think I'm gonna do I'm getting a bath on my leg. Pink is sitting down below me, licking me. What? Stop.
Just puddles, huh?
This orange is so pretty. isn't a technique that I do very often, so I'm kind of nervous. You gotta be careful because sometimes you can get it to where it's really muddy.
Oh.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Now what?
All right. Got all your colors on?
Yeah.
You don't want to put colors inside the colors, or you just want it like that?
I just want like that.
Okay. Just move all your stuff over. So now you kind of put your marbles in wherever you want them to go, and then you just start moving them around.
I try and keep them on your
Try
canvas.
to keep them on there as long as you want to.
And just start moving it around.
Mm-hmm.
My gosh.
5. Hopefully them little ones will go. The big one's rolling around really well, but the little ones aren't going too far. Whoa. Try to keep it down so the
Camera can see.
see. Look, my little ones aren't even hardly going
they're not
anywhere.
going nowhere. There we go.
Just bump them along. Whoa, I almost lost my big one. Oh, there goes my big one. Now my little ones are gonna have to get to work. And they're like right next to each other.
Oh my gosh.
Oh God, this is gonna be a mess.
There went one.
Look, the mine are right next to each other.
Got a couple of them that linked up.
Ugh.
Ooh.
I don't want to get rid of that orange. That orange is pretty.
Oh.
You're not supposed to pick them back up after you drop
Oh,
them.
you're not?
Mm-mm.
Oh, my bad.
Oh, I'm done.
Yours all fell off?
Yeah. Let me move them out of the way so we remember to get them cleaned up.
This is fun.
Yeah.
Oh, there went one. Oh, there went two.
I'm glad I have that gold in there. It's
Look,
gonna
I
be
have
really
3
shimmer.
together.
Yeah. Just gonna push it all along. Put some black in the middle.
Oh, look at that.
Oh,
Whoa.
I got white on you, on your hand. At least I didn't get it on your painting.
Go over there. Stop.
Am I out of proof?
Oh. Oh, shoot.
Let me squeeze by you. Sorry.
Oh, down to 1. Down to 1. Hey, whoa. Still going, still going.
Still going strong?
Still going.
Watch out.
Do we just keep going or what?
You can stop whenever you want to. I stopped a long time ago. Where's my... What's wrong with my torch?
It's going. Kinda like it.
It's kind of cool. Got lots of gold. that really spread out, but I think that's because the little ones got stuck together and they were kind of pushing everything along. I like the orange in here. It's pretty cool. It's a fun technique to do. Yours looks like a flower at the bottom. This green one down here, like a flower.
I like it. Turned out pretty cool.
Oop, I got some lacing coming up. That's cool. All right, let me bring you guys down for a close up. Excuse me, Pink. Let me step around you. I would move if I was you.
That was kind of fun, though.
All right, so we're gonna start with Tina's here. Like, see where Pink is? Like, she has to sit right underneath my feet. But here's Tina's. I think this part down here looks like a flower. It's kind of cool. Got some cool little designs in there. Kind of hard to keep the marbles on, huh?
Yeah. That was fun, though.
Here's mine. Look at all that pretty gold. If Jade is watching, you know what she would say. Shimma, shimma. Tina said she's pretty sure Jade would find a mermaid in hers somewhere.
Yeah.
Well, she probably would. She'd probably find one in mine, too. She finds a mermaid in every painting. But there we go. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I appreciate everybody watching. And let's see. Sandras Sensations, she is up next. And again, I want to thank all the ladies for including me in this. I'm sorry I was a little MIA for a while. I had so much going on, my goodness. But I apologize. But thanks again for including me. Look at all that pretty shimmer.
That's pretty.
And yeah, so I'll have a link in the description for all the ladies. So please go and check them out. I hope everybody is being healthy and safe and healthy in general. Have a good day. Have a good evening. Keep being creative. Say bye.
Bye.
You see how she covered up her face?
Me?